Hi everyone, my name is Benit Corian and I am the owner of Braids by Bee Inc. Beauty Salon. We started as of 2021 a new department called Dreadlocks2Love, and we are so surprised at how many have responded to our call for a cause. That's right. For years, I've invented instant lock dread extensions for those who suffered from hair loss, alopecia, cancer, flew to many appointments, 13 different states, 3 countries providing my services, consulted clients on what can be done on their hair loss, those who had pre-existing issues with dreadlocks. Today, we're happy to say that many of those clients asked, and now we came. We came with a request. The request was, can you get real locks? Yes, B, you make handmade artistry dreadlocks to match my own, but I would love to have real dreadlocks so I can color them so they can really match my hair. So today we have opened a new department. You can now come and see all of the donations that we have received. You can meet us, consult with us, and we can match you up to the perfect dreadlock sets. We clean them up, we detox them, and we recycle them, and we prepare them for the new clients. Some of them even come with letters letting you know how long they've grown their hair and that they want it to go to someone else that will make them happy as it made them. Reach out to Braids by Bee Inc. Benit and Soraya is making a change in this world. If you haven't heard of us yet, look us up because we are all over the internet. You can consult with Braids by Bee Inc. Look us up on our website at www.braidsbybee.com for more info. We consult because we are the first to offer all the options that we offer. And not only do we offer options, but we can execute the services as well. We install, we reinforce, we reconstruct dreadlocks. We are the masters of what we do. The House of Dreadlocks, created by Braids by Bee Inc. Thank you for listening.
So I see you need a retouch. You know, we require